Hey guys, Christine here from Plant, Field and Fit. This is one of my favorite times of the year, and one of the reasons is because it's the start of the CSA season. If you don't know what a CSA is, it stands for Community Supported Agriculture. What you do for that is you pay one price up front at the beginning of the growing season, and that provides local farmers with the seed money they need to start planting their gardens. Throughout the growing season, so for about 22 weeks in the summertime, you go to a site and you pick up all your fresh vegetables that the farmers picked that day. This year I decided to join the Fresh Forks Market CSA program, and today was my first day of the pickup, and I'm so excited to see what's in the bag today. Alright, so what we got in our bag this week is some sauerkraut, some spelt berries, some broccoli, bunching onions, kale, rainbow chard, asparagus, hydroponic lettuce, rhubarb, and some radishes. Now don't throw away these radish leaves. You could wash them and you could use them in your salad greens too. So I can't wait to use up all this fresh produce this week, and I hope you guys will consider joining a CSA program in your own area. It supports local farmers and it's great for the community, and it's great for you too because you get all this fresh vegetables. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.